Promise we're back for a matchup with the Giants. Fine Gaines being a rascal there. And let's make up for... Why is my weather on? That's strange, and we're going to have to play through it. But I'll have to make that adjustment. Jesus, that is unusual. Anyone who plays League knows that that's really weird. Great throw to Gaines. Oof. This is a little bit short of the touchdown. This is probably going to be the only weather game that you guys see, for real. And this, I don't know when I would have done this, but I did it. Turn the weather on. We got rain in New York. So we're going to have to put up some big points in the rain. Enough about the weather, but you probably will be seeing a fumble at some point. Early, very early 16-point lead on the Giants. I also did not adjust the jerseys because I'm just kind of a space cadet, apparently. The odds are against me. Nice. Another one over the top to Gaines, and then he slips a defender from behind. And we want to be careful and just dive down because the ball is going to get punched out in this game. 4-yard touchdown for Cage there. Little lateral toss for 2. Steve Clark. Peppers sacks the QB. Giants punt. Bangarang. Ooh, something like that could be weather related, could be the throw, I don't know. 3rd and inches. Bad throw. User error. I'm just running away from everyone because I got double black jerseys going on right now. It's getting ugly. Textbook throw to Spencer. These tackles are scaring me. Yoink. Touchdown. Gains for 2. Touchdown and the conversion. There's the fumble, but it did not go against us, and that is wonderful. 9 seconds left on the clock. We're going to throw it away because I was looking for that bottom route. Ah, Jesus. Okay. Giants are going to come back with 3 points. A couple gameplay mistakes here in the first couple videos, but hey, just a game. Gameplay. Clark's got wheels. Don't want any hits that are too hard, though. Bad miss. Sideline catch. Nice catch by Gaines down there on that lower route. Can't get the ball back unless we score, so... Nice. 11 yards for Lowry. Two-point conversion, Steve Clark. Let's score fast and get it back. Finish strong. Oof. Nice. Wow. Impressive. Is he gonna punch it in? Oh my God. What a touchdown. Steve Clark. Longest rushing because I throw lateral passes. My. Oh, don't get the chew, but jeez, I'm shell-shocked. And they're gonna punt. Little side screen. Probably better that Lowry jumped up for that one. Shock him with a little shovel pass there. Oh my God, yes! And let's get the longest rush and longest passing on what was pretty much back-to-back touches. Insane. Let's get the ball back, guys. Come on, Giants are terrible. There we go. Plus 51. I usually average about 30 points a game, so I guess that makes up for Week 11, this Week 12 Catalina finale. Wow. In the rain, too. Take that, Hawks. You know who you are. Let's praise coaching. Wow. Strong coaching. Jeez. I'm still shocked, guys. Wow, and you know what? He doesn't need it, but let's give him some more strength. And let me show you, if for those misinformed, this is where you turn the weather off. I don't want to even think of what could have been if the weather was off the whole time, but what do we say here? It is what it is. Coming right back at you for Week 13 after the break. Novi out.